Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see the major components of Internet of Things. So, the major components of Internet of Things IoT are the first and foremost component is devices or sensors, right? It may be sensors, hardware devices, actuators, etc. Right? Next, connectivity to cloud. The devices are connected to the cloud. Next, data processing. The data will be the data from the cloud or processed using data processing devices. And finally, user interface, right? The device will be interfaced with the user, or the communication is established between the user and the hardware device, right? So these are the major components of IoT, right? So how it works, right? So the first, the device, right? The thing or a device is connected to the gateway using different kind of communication protocols, either in wired manner or wireless manner. Actually, the internet is a wireless kind of network. So actually, it will be the data from the device will be transferred to the gateway in terms of wireless network. That is true internet, right? And the data from the hardware devices and are stored to the cloud, right? And the data in the cloud is fed to the data processing unit, that is called analytics here, right? So next, this analytics part will provide the output to the user interface, right? So it can be otherwise defined as the communication between the hardware device and the user can be done with the help of gateway, cloud and data processing units, right? So for example, let us see the second diagram. This shows that the sensors and devices are connected with this data processing units, where the data from the sensors and devices, the signals from sensors and devices are fed to data processing unit, and where this corresponding the signal is processed in this data processing unit and it is given to user interface. Then it, based on the user commands on request, it will be fed to the network, that is internet, right, with the help of gateways. Then it will be again fed to the sensors, right, where the control actions can be done, right? So as a whole, if a particular parameter needs to be monitored and controlled, then these are all the major components involved between the hardware device and the consumer or the user to perform a particular task, right? So these are the major components of IoT, right? So cloud, in this 5 components, cloud plays the vital role, right, where we can store our data and we can take the data whenever and wherever necessary, right? So these are the major components of IoT. Thank you.